Welcome to another exciting moment. We have a question here on normality again. This question says that what is the normality of the following substances? We have 0.52 mole or molality of potassium hydroxide and um, 0.06 molar concentration of tetrasulfate or sulfuric acid. So we have to calculate the molarity of these substances. So let's go ahead and do justice to it. If you look at this one now, we find out that for this potassium, the ionic charge there, which stands for the equivalent, is 1. So um, in that case, um, to calculate the molality here, the normality, calculating normality now means that since this one is a molar concentration, this is molar concentration, that means we know that means we are going to use our formula, which also normality is equal to molality times what? Equivalence. Equivalent here, based on the chart there, we have for the potassium is 1. This equivalent is what? 1. And the molarity or molar concentration, molarity is equal to 0.52. So using this formula we have here, what we do here is 0.52 times 1, that will be 0.52. That's for this potassium hydroxide. So for the acid, this sulfuric acid, to solve the that of sulfuric acid, what we are going to do here is almost the same thing. So I have to do this one now. Molarity times what? Equivalent. So for this one, we have the molarity of the acid. The molarity of this acid is equal to 0.06, and then the hydrogen ion present there is 2. So that means it's the same thing as what? The equivalent, which is considered to be the equivalent now. So that means the normality will then be 0.06 times 2. That will be this multiplying, that will give us 0.12 normality. All right, thank you so much for being a part of this our class today. And then we'll be looking at another question. Let's see if we can solve one more question in addition to what we have done here. So thank you for being a part of it. So we want to add another question to it. So we want to solve another question here. So we said that what is the concentration of triazonitriferic acid and nitric acid if 24 cm cube of the acid solution is titrated with 87.5.2 cm cube of 0.5 normality of sodium hydroxide. So to solve this problem now, to solve the problem, what we do here is the normality of the sodium hydroxide is 0.5. The volume of sodium hydroxide is equal to 27.2 cm cube, and we have the volume of the acid. The volume of the acid or nitric acid is what? 24.5 cm cube. All right. Now the normality, that is the concentration talking about the normality, since we are dealing with normality there, the normality of the acid is what we don't know. We are going to find it out. So in a case like this, we know that normality normality of the, let's say, of the base of the base let's say of the base is equal to normality of the base multiplied volume of the base is also equal to normality of the acid multiplied by the volume of the acid. So based on this, we can use this relationship, this relation there, or the formula to see how we're going to solve this. That of the base, normality of the base is 0.5 times the, that of the volume, equal to normality of this, which we don't know, times 24.5. So now the normality of the nitric acid, the normality of the nitric acid will then be equal to all over, I think, yeah, exactly. So if we multiply it through, what we have will be, we will have, that will give us 0.556 normality. That is that of the acid. All right, thank you so much. Thank you for your time. I want you to like, comment, share, and also don't forget to subscribe. It's a very exciting, it's a very exciting moment with you. Thank you so much.